Hey guys, how you doing? I told y'all we're gonna make another video, so I am. So we're gonna show y'all the fireworks that we're gonna pop in the night. Yesterday was 4th of July, but today we're gonna pop some because a question mark, one of my question mark is I'm not gonna say one of my friends, but I'm not gonna show him. He doesn't want to be in the show. So we are gonna show we're gonna show you the first ones. These they come in a pack. We got nine of these. They call big whatever the name is. It's backwards. I think you see it. It's backwards. And this one, I'm gonna tell you what this one does first. This one spins around in the floor and goes up. This one makes it shoots out flaming balls. Oh, is this the one? This one is the same thing as this one. They both shoot out colorful balls of fire, and then this one shoots out 40 rounds. This one does too, 40 rounds. And this one is flaming balls like the other one, but like different color. Not like colorful like those. We got this long stick. I need to be backwards. Take that one down there. So, yeah. And this is it makes a whistle and then it pops in the air. And last but not least, this one. You need to put it in the tube. You light it up from here. This has a long one because it needs a tube, and it shoots out and it makes boom like this one. So, okay, Shaggy Soldiers. I'm gonna make another video when we start popping these. Oh, because the door open. Peace. Bye, soldier.